Hey everyone, and welcome to Gardening with Ben. Well, we're going to be harvesting some of our potatoes today. We grew these in boxes as they're easier to grow in boxes. If you plant them in the ground, you've got the chance of stabbing them when you're digging them up, or not getting them all out and leaving some in there. So we grow them in boxes so that we can actually find all the potatoes and get them all out without damaging any and getting a good crop from them as well. The only thing with growing them in boxes is that you've got to keep them watered. So let's see what our harvest looks like from our potatoes today. So these are our potatoes. As you can see, they're dying off now. They've come into the end, but I can see some potatoes coming to the surface. So we need to get these out before they start going green and poisonous, because if they're showing on the surface, they can go green, and when they go green, that means they're poisonous and you shouldn't eat them. So yeah, we need to move these to somewhere where we can tip them out and get our harvest out. So right, we've moved them to a position. So this is the exciting bit. Tipping them over and seeing if we've actually got any in there, which we know we've got a couple. So yeah, let's turn them over. Well, we know we've got a couple here, so yeah, let's move them to the side. So yeah, this is the exciting bit, looking for the potatoes, and you can see them hidden around. So let's get harvesting. This is a mucky job. These are the old potatoes that were planted, what have turned into new potatoes. As you can see, we're getting loads out, which is a good sign. Still some small ones. But some decent sized big ones. So that is our crop of potatoes that we grew from inside the box. And as you can see, none have been stabbed, none have got holes in from slugs and stuff like that. They all look absolutely gorgeous. So yeah, we'll be having those in the air fryer for chippies, which will taste absolutely delicious. So thank you for watching today's video on our harvest of our potatoes. Make sure you click the subscribe button and click the bell to stay up to date with all our videos on YouTube, and leave a comment as well, as that helps push it out, and give it a like as well. Until next time, remember, keep smiling, keep shining, and keep gardening with Ben, everyone.